Hello guys, welcome everyone. This is Nathan Anand, USN 1V20CH106, from 6th sem of Askara section, pursuing computer science engineering in SPCE. So today my topic is about web technology and application, that is creating a table in HTML. So let's not waste any time, let's get started. Now using HTML table, so we use tables for different purposes. So but using HTML tables, we can use the table as a table tag here. So take angular brackets table and the end slash end with the table tag container to display information in table format, or you can use a table container to control the layout of a page. So there are two uses of using a table. So now we use tables for information, basically to store information. So here it is a hexadecimal conversion chart. It is represented by a table. So table provides a systematic view for this information to the users. So we use tables for information, and then we use tables for layout, basically to give a layout for any web pages or something. We use tables. So these are the uses of tables. Now let's get started to implement tables in HTML. So let's get started. Now it is a table. The table will be implemented by using table tags. So it is a table tag defines the beginning and end of a table. So you're implementing a table using a table tag, and this basically defines you the way to start the table and where the table ends. So there are many attributes in table, that is like background color, background order, cell spacing, cell padding, width of the table, height of the table. So everything you can basically improvise or use it on your own terms. So these are just the attributes that you can change. So this is the start of a table. So it should be table all starts with a table tag. So let's move on to the next one. So the tr tag. So tr represents basically a table row. So it is a tag that is used to define a table row, structural tag only. So there will be no content on it. So it is a structural tag to define a row. So the attributes may be align, v-align, and background color. So these are the attributes of tr tag. So this is used to define a table row. So let's move to the next one. So we have a TD container, that is a TD tag that is used to define a data cell in a table. So we use the tr tag to define a row in a table. So inside a row there should be some contents to display. So the TD tag is that is used to display any content or including another nested table, etc. So the attributes it can have is align, v-align, and height. And there are many attributes, that is background width, background color, height, and you can see there are two more special attributes here, that is called span and row span. So we'll be looking on to it in the next slide. So this is basically a TD container to define a data set. So let's move on to the next slide. So we have TD call span, that is what I referred in the previous slide, call span. So call span is nothing that if you need to merge two columns, you use the function calls span. So this is the function used to merge two columns. So as we need to merge two columns here, so we use a table row like tr, and td is table data. So call span is equal to 2 and the background color is set to blue. So except all these columns, these two columns are merged, and that is the background color is turned to blue. So this is the functionality of the call span. It just merges the two columns that you require to merge. So it is called span. We have the row span as well. So the row span is used to merge two rows. So there are two rows here, and there are more rows on the right and left. So we used row span 2 to merge these two rows. So that is what we use row span. Row span is used to merge two rows or n number of rows. That is the value you can give. The value here you can give it as a number as to your specification or needs. So that doesn't compulsorily need to be true. So the background color is blue, set to blue, so the background color is blue. So this is basically a table that is defined, that is having a two rows merged in it. So this is the row span functionality. So let's move on to the next one. So we have th. Defines a table header. So defines a header cell, so acts just like TD. So it acts just like TD, except the text is normally centered, vertical and horizontal, and the text is bold. So these all the effects will be added automatically to the data that is inside a TR tag. So that what it makes a TH. So uh, that it what it makes it's a header cell. So the header cell must be differentiated from the normal data cells, so that the text is normally centered, vertical and horizontal, and the text is bold. So the attributes are same as a data set. So let's move on to the next one. We have an example for th. So see here, these are the contents of the table. So these are declared in table rows, but here this element has been declared in th tag. So this is basically the header items that must be on the table. So they are basically centered and they are bolded. They are different from the normal data items. So this is what table header does. So now let's move on to the next one. The caption. So there's a extra caption tag, provides a summary of the table purpose, must immediately follow the table tag, and attributes are aligned, summary, and BL. So let's look at an example. So the caption tag here, the caption is aligned to the center. So the summary is equal to long description goes here. So these are all the inline styling types that have been used in this form of code. So now the caption includes the alignment center. The summary is long description goes here, and V align is bottom. So the whole caption is inside the tag, that is figure 1 hexadecimal conversion. So there is a table declared and means bottom of it there is a caption declared. So this is what it does. So basically it does the hexadecimal conversions, like figure 1 hexadecimal conversions text to appear at the bottom of the table. So that is a caption. So this is how it works. So let's move to the next one. Using tables for multi-part images. Use a basic table structure, set the border, cell padding, cell spacing attributes to 0, no spaces or page breaks between tags included between table data, and can be used for formats, image maps, that is images given in an example. So you can use tables for multi-part images. So this is it. This is all about implementing and using different tags and tables in HTML. So let's meet you on the next video, and thank you for watching this one, and this is Nitin and I'm signing off, and have a great day.